got her in, boys.
Damn, dude. Dude, the valves on that bitch.
I know, dude. The ESR valves.
Right here. The V-force?
Yeah, the V-force valve. Okay. That actually is a valve. That actually is a valve. You were supposed to say that.
Jesus Christ, dude. What is that?
That's an extremely sexy racing pipe.
Where is that from? Like, that's foreign.
So Blake stripped out my shifter trying to kickstart the shifter. And now we're...
I forgot.
And now here we go. Now here goes everything. What is that sound?
That's so dumb. Like, I got robbed with that.
Oh, quiff. Valve quiff.
She ain't sparking.
She is sparking. She is a little bit.
Nope, no spark.
It's a no spark condition. Here, bro, check this.
Dude, she's been sitting for too long.
Without even getting on her watch, bro.
Shut up, dude. You're not even... Dude, stop, bro.
I broke my toes.
I hope.
Oh, you deserve it. Demasculating me. Four down. Are you sure about this at all, dude? Like,
what?
The mullet's speaking for itself right now.
What?
Who's over there? Nobody?
Never mind.
I gotta run.
We're good. We're good. Sorry. I thought I heard my mom.
Maybe pull the clutch in.
Oh, we're in gear now. We weren't in gear. Did you see the first kick?
We weren't until you put it in gear and killed it. At least it shifts again. Oh, until you went and I can't even find neutral now, guys. Some guy over here is teasing him too. Got a daggum Cessna.
It hit me in the shin that time. It came back and hit me in the shin that time.
Well, daggum, or you want me to fire her again?
No, just so y'all can see what the issue is. Look, these bitches are slippery. There ain't no grip on them. Like,
you see that?
they slip. I'll slide uphill.
Slide uphill. So, now you know.
That's why I'm kicking off.
Oh, I see now. Okay. All right. We weren't questioning you or nothing.
Okay.
We weren't. All right, then drop it then. Forget I said anything about it.
Thank you.
Sell that thing.
I've been doing this.
I do this.
I got a whole ass dirt bike business.
Danger linkers. Yeah, baby. Cut. Use take 73. You go with take 75. Smells so good, you guys. Let me just tell you that in case you didn't already know.
I don't think that CRF 100 wanted done.
No, it did, dude. That
That's XR 100. Ow, my leg hurts.
It's a little fat, so I ain't even gonna bother choking it. It likes to kick back.
those rocks, he just threw them at me. It's whatever, dog. Damn, dude, it made it all the way up. Hell yeah. Dude, it made it all the way up that incline.
Nick's a little stoked about it.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, 87 big red too. Score.
You got to throttle let off and then it pulls up.
Listen to this. I think we got a 4-stroke.
I think we should take off on a couple of things, bro.
Ripped out of them.
Dude, where's the GoPro? Let's go.
Let's go see who's in the who will race us around.
Why are they in our fucking neck of the woods?
Whoever. It ain't a 2-stroke, man, or I'd have to go set it straight.
Dude, I ride blasters, bro.
Like, I've been on a blaster before.
Dude, their pistons are like that.
And a 250EX.
They're like that, dude.
I have a got you. I got a 300. My cousin has a 300EX.
Dude, I like
You want to know how to start it? Like, have somebody start it when it's warmed up, then you one kick it.
Yep, I already warmed it up for him, but...
No, I'm the one kicking it off. Putt it. He gonna putt it, boys.
I am.
You want me to get the GoPro just for the putting you're gonna do? No. Turn on the fuel before you rip off out of here. Look at you moving the thumb throttle, man. I got pointed wrists. With your old house shoes. You're gonna make Blake pissed, bro. I got a video of him and Boots kicking it 30 times. Dude, I got a video. It claps him right in the fucking shin, dude. Kicking it. See if it's got gas in it. I haven't checked.
I got a bunch of gas left.
Yeah, 4-stroke gas, snitch gas.
3/4 tank.
Nice. Like Jessica, I told him not to. Let her eat. Oh, he got way out of her. He didn't even dig.
That bitch needs some jets in the carburetor. She bad.
Yeah. I noticed you quit pulling after 4th gear. What happened?
I don't have a helmet on.
Okay. He already trying to ask about this breeze too, y'all, because it's so cherry.
Damn, it's fucking bad as fuck, dude. The whole front end's bent that way and that A-arm's pushed back.
Well, maybe a little bit.
Right here. I ain't gonna tell nobody.
Well, maybe a little bit.
I'm just talking to you.
You just
not
told
camera.
everybody.
Why are you recording?
You just told everybody. Maybe it is. Maybe it is.
Facebook
Maybe it is a little. Maybe it is a little.
Frank as fuck.
It is a little bit.
Motherfucker's totaled.
Dang,
This is like a tote the note car.
yeah, no shit,
Tote the
bro.
note lot. It looks good as fuck. Frame's broken half.
It ain't ruined just yet. Just gotta heat up the whole middle of it and bend it back over.
Oh yeah.
Gotta heat the whole midsection.
Right here in the middle.
In the middle section. I got like 4 frames, bro. Oh, look at you making a. Oh, smash the now the plastics are totaled. That little thing.
That little fucking thing.
That's. Let me just even it up on this side with the ball peen.
Yeah. Probably worked.
It's still got the daggum oil plug in it. What the hell's your
Fuck
problem? Looks like it come off the sprinkler
good.
system.
At least it's got new tires, even if it's totaled.
I have 3 frames back there,
Oh,
dog.
3 of these.
So you just get to redo the
So
whole
whoever
shit.
buys this gets a free frame?
If his name's David, he does. Yeah, and then old David put it in a mud hole and fucking twisted it another 30 degrees to the left. Won't admit it.
Shit happens.
finally. I'm gonna
Really,
show you all the
I honestly
video.
don't think it did.
No, I'll show you the video. I got video before and after, man. Pretty straight front end, completely fucking left-handed front end. Afterwards.
We'll get Dylan to fix that next time I'm home.
Now you're fucked, bro. See, I tried to warm it up. You better put it in neutral. No, I ain't starting it. Don't even start getting off. You gonna Blake might start it for you.
I can't do
It's going forward, bro.
Bro, I can't kick that.
You kick it forward.
I got you. That's fucking weird.
Yeah, you're gonna be alright.
Fucking slides. There we go.
I wanna lock them Crocs into low.
Shit, I wish I had Crocs on. These things suck.
Here, I'm gonna start it for you.
Yeah, dude. That fucking Kickstarter is going right through my tube.
Short shift it hard. Watch. Blah, blah, blah. Justin May, Ryan Gregory, I got him going out. Congratulations, guys. I appreciate you always watching and subscribing and everything else, boys. Junior Rico, come on. Email me that address. You were the third commenter. I got to get you a sweater out there. Somebody else is going to try and say they're you, man. Guys, be sure and like and subscribe. And 700XX coming up next, so check that video out. So smooth, ain't it? Oh! Woohoo! There's you guys a fun one. 700XX. Oh, too much compression.
Damn.
Tried to bum start it.
Nobody. Wow. Great. Broken.